Have you ever wondered where stars are born and how they live out their dramatic lives? Look no further than the Tarantula Nebula, also known as 30 Doradus, a stellar nursery located in the Large Magellanic Cloud, a galaxy near our own Milky Way. This awe-inspiring region is one of the most active and intense star-forming areas in the universe, filled with massive stars, explosive events, and vast amounts of energy. It's here that the incredible cycles of starbirth, evolution, and death unfold on a cosmic scale, making the Tarantula Nebula a fascinating spectacle of creation and destruction. But the Tarantula Nebula is not just a place of creation, it is also a place of destruction. As massive stars exhaust their fuel, they go through a rapid evolutionary phase that leads to a catastrophic explosion known as a supernova. When these massive stars reach the end of their life cycle, they collapse under their own gravity, triggering a massive explosion that releases an enormous amount of energy. These supernovae are some of the most violent events in the universe, capable of outshining entire galaxies for a brief period. The shock waves from these explosions can trigger the collapse of surrounding clouds of gas and dust, setting off a chain reaction that leads to the formation of new stars. The aftermath of these supernovae is equally fascinating. The explosion of a massive star can leave behind remnants such as pulsars and nebulae, which are the remnants of the star's core. A pulsar is a highly magnetized, rotating neutron star that emits beams of electromagnetic radiation. These remnants are not just intriguing in their own right, they also play a crucial role in the ongoing evolution of the Tarantula Nebula. The energy and material released by supernovae and pulsars help to fuel the formation of new stars, adding to the complex, ever-changing environment of the nebula. What makes the Tarantula Nebula so unique is the interplay between birth and death that occurs within its boundaries. New stars form from the gas and dust triggered by the explosive remnants of previous generations of stars, and these new stars, in turn, create the conditions for further star formation and destruction. This cycle of stellar birth, life, and death continues to shape the nebula, making it a dynamic, evolving laboratory where scientists can study the life cycles of stars on an immense scale. The Tarantula Nebula also provides a rare opportunity to study these processes up close. Located approximately 160,000 light-years away, it is one of the closest star-forming regions to Earth, giving astronomers a unique vantage point from which to observe star formation and supernovae in real time. The nebula's proximity allows scientists to gather detailed data that would be difficult to obtain from more distant star-forming regions. This wealth of information helps to shed light on the mysteries of stellar evolution, supernova mechanics, and the processes that govern the formation of stars and galaxies. One of the most famous features of the Tarantula Nebula is its central cluster of stars, known as R136. This cluster is home to some of the most massive stars ever discovered, including several that are more than 100 times the mass of our Sun. These supermassive stars burn hot and bright, producing an extraordinary amount of radiation that can strip away the surrounding gas and dust. Their intense winds of hot gas and radiation also interact with the surrounding medium, causing the gas to glow brightly in wavelengths ranging from visible light to X-rays. In fact, the Tarantula Nebula is often referred to as a cosmic factory because of its prolific production of stars. The high density of gas and dust in this region makes it a perfect environment for new stars to form, and the ongoing cycle of stellar birth and death ensures that this process continues for millions of years. However, The life cycle of a star in the Tarantula Nebula is much more rapid than in other regions of space. The massive stars in this nebula burn through their fuel at an astonishing rate, which means they live fast and die young. This rapid turnover of stars leads to an environment where new generations of stars are constantly being created, while older stars explode and fade away. The Tarantula Nebula is also a key region for understanding the broader processes of galaxy evolution. As the gas and dust in the nebula interact with the radiation from the massive stars, they create complex structures that can influence the formation of stars and galaxies across the universe. The study of the Tarantula Nebula helps astronomers understand how stars and galaxies evolve over time, and how the processes of star formation, supernovae, and stellar remnants shape the universe. Perhaps one of the most exciting aspects of studying the Tarantula Nebula is the way in which it offers a glimpse into the future of star-forming regions. The processes occurring in the nebula today are similar to those that took place in the early stages of our own galaxy's formation. By studying this active stellar factory, scientists can learn more about the conditions that led to the formation of the Milky Way and other galaxies, as well as the factors that influence the development of star systems and planetary environments. In addition to its scientific significance, the Tarantula Nebula is also a stunning visual spectacle. Observing it through various telescopes, including the Hubble Space Telescope and the Chandra X-ray Observatory, reveals a vibrant, colorful landscape of gas, dust, and stars. The nebula's glowing tendrils of gas and its bright young stars create an otherworldly scene that inspires awe and wonder in all who witness it. The Tarantula Nebula, with its breathtaking beauty and dynamic processes, is a testament to the incredible forces at work in the universe. It serves as a reminder that even in the vast, seemingly empty expanse of space, there is constant motion, birth, death, and rebirth that shapes the very fabric of the cosmos. From the massive stars that light up the nebula to the supernovae that mark the end of their lives, the Tarantula Nebula is a place where new stars are born, old ones explode, and the cycle of life in the universe continues. What secrets can the Tarantula Nebula reveal about the universe's past, present, and future? How does its rich, chaotic environment hold the keys to understanding the forces that shape galaxies, stars, and the very nature of the cosmos? In the Tarantula Nebula, can we see the story of the universe unfold, one star, one explosion, and one new beginning at a time? Do share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.